Yes, good sir.
Okay, so your mark distribution, that is your mark distribution. At first, the midterm 20 marks, and midterm has two parts, quiz 10 marks, and the viva 10 marks. Okay, and the final has three parts, quiz, viva, and another thing will be added, which is the case of study or the assignment. That is 12.5 marks, and the presentation and report, it is also includes some marks, which is the 10 marks and 10 marks. Okay, so and presentation is the group work. So I think you can easily get the mark here. Okay, so just remember few things like the viva is important. Okay, those viva, because I can observe you, I can judge you through the viva. If you answer all questions in the viva, then you will get the A plus. Okay, if you miss questions, one question, then you will get A. If you miss two questions, then you will get the A minus. Okay, like this. So whatever you do, you should take it seriously, actually the viva. Take the viva seriously so that you do the good result. Okay, that is the thing here you have to consider. Okay, and the course name is Signals and Systems. So we will discuss about the signals as well as the systems. So before going to the main topic, the course code is 313. 313 means third year, first semester, third course. That is your third year and the first semester. That means you are in the seventh semester, right? It is your seventh
Yes. Okay.
semester, right? Seventh semester, and this course is the number 7. Sorry, number 3, third course. So that is your course code, explanation of the code. Okay, explanation of the course code. So topic is signal and system. We have, I'll give you the books. Okay, soft copy, signal and system. We have some books, and we'll see what we can do here using the book. Okay. Now let's look at the some basic of signals. Okay, some basic things of the signals. Let's go to the things. Okay, see, are you seeing anything?
Yes, sir. Seeing it.
Okay. So what is a signal? Okay, this is not actually my slide or my note. I have taken this note from your Munim sir because he is taking the signal courses regularly. Okay. And one thing, I think this is very first time I am taking this course. Okay, signal and system. So it is an interesting one because I have studied signal and system when I think I was in the third year, maybe. বুঝছো থার্ড ইয়ারে যখন তখন মনে হয় সিগন্যাল সিস্টেম পড়ছি তারপরে আবার পড়তেছি এত বছর পরে প্রায় I think it is almost or more than 12 years. Okay, more than 12 years ago I have studied the signal and system. Okay, so after this very long time later I am taking this course again, but in the meantime I have took the course of DSP, digital signal processing. But signal system, it is fundamental course, so I am taking this one very first time. So you should cooperate with me about the content. Okay, you can also tell me what is wrong, what is right. Okay. You already know that I'm open-minded. I would not mind if you suggest me anything. Okay.
Yes,
So,
yes, sir. Sir.
so you are free to comment. Okay. So
Okay.
if you think that you feel that the class is becoming boring, then you can talk, tell me that, sir, please don't take the class again anymore. We need to stop here. So then I will stop. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. It is not a punishable thing. I know, because also for me it is also boring sometime to take the class in the online. But it will be better if we talk. Okay. If I talk only, then the class will be boring. But you can talk, you can discuss with many hot topic, like say the COVID-19. What is the effect of COVID-19 in the communication sector, or what is the effect of COVID-19 in our social life? Right. We are becoming addicted to the smartphone due to COVID-19.
Yes, sir.
It's very alarming, actually, and it is not good for your health also. So you have to do some physical work, like you have to run or you have to work. But in this situation, we are staying at our home. We are not doing any hard job, right? Just sleeping, eating, attending the class, sleeping again, eating again. This cycle is ongoing. So it is not very good for your health also. Okay. So this is the definition of signal. A signal is a description of how one parameter varies with another parameter. Okay. Like say voltage changing over time in an electronic circuit. Okay. So voltage changing over time in an electronic circuit, and the brightness varying with distance in an image. Okay. These are the examples of the signal. Okay, so just look at the thing that okay, okay, see this. Here the amplitude, here the time. If you look at the y-axis, that is the amplitude, and if you look at the x-axis, that is the time. Okay, time and amplitude. And here along the x-axis independent parameter, along the y-axis dependent parameter. See, along the x-axis it is not depending on this, but along the y-axis it is depend on the time. So when the time varies, the position of the parameter of the y-axis are also vary. Okay. Ft means amplitude depends on time, function of time. Ft means function of time. That means it changes with the time. Sin t variable along x-axis. T variable along x-axis. Okay. And see this thing. This is the amplitude or height, and this is the time, and this is the signal. So if we want to say this point, this is the PTY. That means T is the time, Y is the y-axis. Okay, Ty. T time when the curve is at P, Y height, amplitude of the point P at time T. See, so we can actually what they are saying that, let's say this is axis. So that is our point P. Let's say this is our point P. Here the point P. So we can write this, and it is the T, that is the time, and that is the Y, or the amplitude YT. It is a function of T. yt. Here the t is the time and the y is the position. T here. So here the t and here the y. So for this, at this point, we can write the point as ty, where t is the time when the curve is at p, y is the height or amplitude of the point p at time. Okay, so they explain this thing like this. So yt means what? This is the function of t. This is the function of t along x-axis independent parameter. Along y-axis, it is dependent parameter. X-axis independent and the y-axis, it is dependent. Okay. So that is the thing. And another guy joined. And see some type of signals are there, like the continuous time and discrete time signal, energy and proper power signal, even and odd signal, real and imaginary signal, periodic and aperiodic signal, deterministic and non-deterministic signal, blah blah blah. Lots of signals are there. Okay, so we'll study later one by one, or each and all signal types. Okay, and some basic signals like the unit step signal, unit impulse signal, ramp signal. Okay, we'll see one by one. So they discuss everything, but today I will not go to the go to the further, because since it is first class, so you should stick on the very basic things. Okay, so I will not go further now.